Hi everyone, Michelle here from the Junk Journal Studio, sharing with you a 3-page freebie that coordinates with my new Winter Bounty series, which was recently uploaded to my Etsy shop. You can find the links to those 4 digitals in the series and the flip through links in the description box below. There's also a 21-page freebie that coordinates with the Winter Bounty series. You can find it in my Kofi shop. Link is down below. And this new 3-page freebie is also on Kofi and is linked below as well. So what I gave you guys today is 5 different colors of these phrases, and all the colors coordinate with the Winter Bounty series. And then of course I had some white space here and I didn't want to just leave it empty, so I gave you some beautiful labels that coordinate with it. So you have 5 colors. You have the very dark blue and the black, and then a little bit lighter yet, and then the neutral. So they are in 2 sizes. We have these 2, and then we have it here in the smaller size. So that makes up the 3-page freebie. Again, it can be found in the description box down below, the link for it in Kofi. And also do not forget to subscribe to the Junk Journal Studio's design team. Their links for their YouTube channels and Instagram are down below. They are always working with the studio's digitals and have lots of inspiration on different ways that we can use them. So yeah, I hope you enjoy them, and thanks for watching. Bye.